Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know how to crochet this beautiful flower and leaves and have a nice comb? So see my video. I learned to you how to design your comb and have a nice comb and nice hair. I started with magic ring. And then I make 6 single crochet into this magic ring. We need 6 single crochet into this magic ring. I put a hook in the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch here, and now we make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 chains and go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Again make 2 chains and repeat. In the next stitch make just 1 single crochet and continue this until I arrive here. Then I put the hook in the first hole and make 1 slip stitch, and then here again make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet, then go to the next hole, this part, and again repeat like this part, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So we need 6 of this shape in a round of this part. When you complete this round, then make 5 chains, 3, 4 and 5, and put the hook between these 2 parts, exactly this part, and yarn over and make 1 single crochet. Again repeat. We need 5 chains and 1 single crochet between these 2 parts. Put the hook here and make 1 single crochet. You must continue this until again you arrive in this part. After that, you must put the hook here and make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and the last of this part, 5, then 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Then go to the next space and again repeat 1 single crochet here, then like this part, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. You must repeat this between into this hole exactly in this part and again arrive here. Now I complete this flower and I crochet this flower and I make it in different color. You can do this too. And I crochet this leaf. I learned it to you in this video, so you can see this video and see what I do for crochet this leaf. Then glue and put this flower here and then this leaf into this part, and for example here, and now I have a nice this beautiful comb just make with this crochet flower. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.